Topic sentence. Last summer. I'm Harry. Last summer holidays I went with my family to Paris. We went by car. There was me, my parents, my brother Thompson and my little sister Linda. We live in Brighton and we are English. We saw the most interesting places in Paris, as the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and we made the city tour. I loved it, because Paris is a very beautiful city. On the 5th day we went to watch everything and enjoy all the amusements. My sister is only 5 years old and she loved it. I met all the Disney characters and they were very funny. We stayed at a hotel inside Europe Disney. Topic sentence. Morning walk in the park. A morning walk is beneficial to everyone. Is quite beneficial to our health. It has the same nutrition value as a well-balanced diet. The benefits of fresh air on our lungs are numerous. We are refreshed by the cold breeze. We can hear the birds chirping. Morning walks are one of my favorite things to do, so I get up early every day. In the park, the rising sun is quite lovely. Everything appears to be in full bloom. I adore listening to the birds sing in the trees. In the park, I tend to my plants. I come here to breathe in some fresh, pure air. It gives me a space to play sports. The dewdrops on the grass have a wonderful appearance. The dewdrops on the grass have a wonderful appearance. At various times of the day, a large number of people visit the garden. People come here to go for a walk or jog. Others come here to get some workouts and relax. A park is a beautiful place.
Topic sentence. My best friend. A friend in distress is a true friend. Man is a social creature. He can't live on his own. He requires assistance from others. As a result, he makes buddies. My father has always advised me to avoid terrible company. Allow me to introduce you to one of my closest friends. Justine is one of my closest friends. He is from a noble family. We live as if we were true brothers. He dresses in plain clothes. He lends a hand to the less fortunate. He's about my age. His father is a physician. He doesn't hang out with the bad boys. He prays daily. He has a high level of intelligence. In first in our class. He assists the youngsters who are struggling with their schoolwork. He is an excellent hockey player. He is his parents' favorite child.
Topic sentence. My favorite teacher. Those who teach others are the best individuals in the world. The instructor is a doctor, a poet, and an author. I have a lot of teachers, but Johnny is my favorite as a physician. He has a master's degree and a bachelor's degree in education. He is 32 years old. He instructs us in English. He double-checks our schoolwork daily. He puts in a lot of effort. He is a morning person who gets up early. He dresses neatly and cleanly. He is well liked by all of the teachers and is a polite person. I like him so much.
Topic sentence. My classroom. A classroom is a dignified setting. It's a place where we can learn and discover new things. This is my learning environment. It is light and airy. There are 2 doors on it. There are 3 windows in it. There are 4 ventilators on it. It has 30 workstations. Has a table and chair for the teacher. Blackboard is also mounted on the wall. It is equipped with 4 ceiling fans. The walls are covered in maps, charts, and photographs. It's a pretty lovely classroom. My classroom is one of my favorites, and I try to keep it tidy.